Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to transfer money from Square to Cash App in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just someone managing multiple payment apps, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and painless. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring funds like a pro, saving time and avoiding any unnecessary headaches. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Square account and a Cash App account set up. You'll need to be logged into both on your device for this to work seamlessly. Square is great for processing payments, but getting that money into Cash App for everyday use is a game changer. Start by opening your Square dashboard on your computer or mobile app. Navigate to the Balance or Transfers section, where you'll see your available funds. Next, look for the option to add a bank or external account. Since Cash App is linked to a bank, you'll want to connect it here. If you haven't already, go to your Square settings and select Bank Accounts or Payouts. Now, here's the key step. Initiate a transfer by selecting Cash App as your destination. You might need to verify your Cash App account details, like your linked debit card or bank information, to ensure everything matches up. Once that's done, enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check for any fees. Square might charge a small processing fee, so keep an eye on that. Hit Confirm, and voila! The transfer should process within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. To verify, open your Cash App and check your balance history. One quick tip. If you run into issues, like a failed transfer, make sure your accounts are verified and that you're using the latest app versions. Always double-check for any updates to Square's policies in 2025, as things can change. There you have it. Transferring money from Square to Cash App is straightforward once you know the steps. This can really streamline your finances, especially if you're juggling multiple platforms. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.